Vice President Sara Duterte is urging President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to take full control of the national budget, warning against interference from lawmakers and stressing the need for long-term planning in government projects. More on this with Jason Rubrico.
In recent days, questions on the use of public funds have surfaced, from flood control projects to allegations of lawmakers meddling in the national budget. And while in The Hague, Vice President Sara Duterte had some advice for President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. on how to stop this practice and make sure government money is spent properly.
Unang-una dyan, dapat kontrolado ng President yung budget. Dapat alam talaga ng Pangulo kung ano yung laman ng budget.
The Vice President added lawmakers should keep their hands off government funds, saying the budget must remain under the Chief Executive's authority.
Dapat hindi pumapayag ang Pangulo na pakialaman ng legislators ang budget.
Duterte recalled how Davao tapped international experts to craft a master plan that included flood control projects.
Sa Davao, gumawa kami ng international experts. Gumawa kami ng IM for Davao, Infrastructure Modernization for Davao. Isa doon is flood control and drainage system.
From the master plan, they were able to craft additional plans for other projects needed by the city. But she pointed out those plans never materialized because the national government refused to release funding despite recommendations from consultants.
Andyan yung plano namin pero walang interest yung gobyerno, yung national government through the DPWH na fundingan, na bigyan ng pondo yung mga projects. At hindi ito biased kasi hindi naman kami ang gumawa nito eh. Kumuha kami ng consultants, international experts to help us make that plan based on their experiences.
The Vice President also said that if President Marcos wants sound advice, he should listen to Filipino overseas, whom she called the country's best consultants, having seen global best practices firsthand.
Dapat gawin nila yung ginagawa ko, di ba? Umiikot ako sa iba't ibang Filipino communities around the world. The overseas Filipinos and the overseas Filipino workers ang pinaka-the best na mga consultants. Kasi sila yung nakatira, nakaikot sa buong mundo, nakatrabaho sa iba't ibang lugar. Alam nila ang best practices.
For God and my beloved Philippines, I am Jason Rubrico, SM9 News.